Welcome back to my channel. Wait. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, what is today first of all? As you can see, we got a lot going on here. I did my makeup really just for fun. And by for fun, I mean for Instagram pictures. Okay, anyways, I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out because I don't really have a plan. Go with the flow and somehow I'll end up with a picture. You can really hide under here. So I'm going to pick out some accessories and an outfit. Actually, I can just show you guys. Okay, so it can be really extra or it can be really simple. Let's do like a little hoop. Wait, maybe I should zoom in so you guys can see what's going on. That's the earring. Let me hit the other side. Okay, now that I have earrings, I can zoom out of my face. Ooh. How convenient, my closet is right here with all of my clothes. Okay, I'm back and I'm color coordinated. Huh? I really look like I'm about to go somewhere and have the time of my life. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to set up my living room because that's where I'm gonna be taking these pictures. Okay, so I think I finally got everything set. I actually really like shooting in front of my front door because the lighting is amazing. And even though I'm using natural light, I still like having two lights. I feel like when you're shooting natural makeup, this is what natural makeup, guys. When you're shooting makeup in general, get as much details as possible. So I feel like the lights help with that, with the clarity and the sharpness. As you can see, I have a little ratchet setup here, but I mean, it works for me. You can't tell in the photos. Send me good vibes because I'm trying to get a bomb picture. Half my face is cut off. Oops. Okay. This is like a lot more complicated when you're trying to film it while you do it. Ooh, I feel like I'm in the water. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I like using a reflector. And I know this all seems really extra for an Instagram picture, but we ain't got nothing else to do. Now I'm doing another important part, which is texting my friend and getting her approval. Alright, so I'm all done. I'm super excited to edit these photos. My camera's about to die, my phone's about to die. It's a sign that I got the shot and I need to move on. I'm about to order some food and then work on these pictures. So yeah, thanks again for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!